In this business, you're selling somewhat of a commodity. And so you have to stand out somewhere. And one of the ways we do that with customers is a mix of lead time and customer service.
By offering this really good customer service and lead time, they give us that next order and that next order. And that's something that's really been a differentiator for us in this space. Back in 2018, both of us had come from working in grueling VC-backed tech companies, and we knew we wanted to go and do something on our own. And we ended up finding this business called Alros Label. When we got in there, we realized we didn't have the right technology to really be able to grow the business the way that we wanted it.
So we actually debated, do we go get a big flexo press or do we go get a digital press? And we ended up landing on the Domino. And it allowed us to comfortably step into the digital world. Immediately, we started closing multiple deals that were in our pipeline.
A year and a half ago or so, we still had the same Domino that we originally bought, and we were getting a little bit constrained by capacity. And Domino came in and basically offered an option for us to trade in our original machine for the new machine. And it's been kind of really off to the races ever since.
My name is Jose Cassian, and I'm general manager at Cover Label. I could tell you, I was very excited with going to the N730 because I really wanted that 1200 DPI. Everybody understands, before productivity, there's got to be quality. And this press has been able to give us both. It has been able to give us good quality and the productivity that we're looking for. The 610 was great, and it ran really well, but moving to the 730, it actually changed everything.
Coming from a tech background, when we bought the first Domino, we learned that these digital presses are much easier to learn. As we're getting busier, the more jobs we can move from flexo to digital, the easier it is for us to hire and keep up with demand. And so we see that as a huge advantage.
My name is Michael Trinidad. I'm a press operator here at Cover Label. This is a new Domino 730i. It has some cool features, including a priming station, the ability to print in 7 colors, a varnish station, and a camera for inspecting the labels. The benefit of using this press is the 1200 DPI. It's great for labels on small products.
We still do a lot of cosmetics labels. We've really tried to expand our offering and try to get into a lot of consumer packaged goods. We do a lot of food and beverage, and then we're really starting to grow more in the pharmaceutical space. We are ISO compliant, working to be ISO certified, which is a really compelling thing for pharmaceutical companies that need that type of certification.
We have a customer right now that wants to do smart labels, and we're investing in RFIDs and NFC chips. So customers see that we're willing to invest, and I think that goes a long way.
Because we have digital and flexographic technology, we can do short run stuff. So if you're just starting out and you need 500 labels, we can do that. As you grow, you need 1,000, 5,000, 100,000, even up to 1 million, 10 million. We can satisfy all of those requirements, and we can really be a partner with you as you grow.
From an ROI perspective, there's a lot of different areas where it helps. Right away, you're doubling your capabilities and like your production speed. We're getting twice as many labels out in one shift. I think that goes a long way.
The Domino difference to us is having a partner in one of our suppliers. There was a level of familiarity and comfort with working with Domino. We had several years of experience with them. I cannot state enough how good their service is. Without that service, I don't really know where we'd be.
Yeah, just to stress what Ryder said, being comfortable with the customer service is huge. Knowing that if something goes wrong, like we have the Domino team behind us that we already have worked with for 3.5 years, is a big deal.
We can't be down for 3 weeks. Our customers will go elsewhere. There are 100 other, 200 other label companies in LA alone. They can go to other places. So having a reliable machine that runs, that spits out the same quality label that we can rely on, we wouldn't be where we are today. Our company would not be the size that it is without having a Domino press in place for the last 5 years.
Thanks, Domino.
Thanks, Domino.
From Cover Label,
Thanks, Domino.